Hi, my name is Cole. I own Fine Fabrications. We're a metal fabrication company. I'm an MTC Welding graduate. I was going down a bad path in my life, is pretty much what was going on around that age. I knew I had to get involved in something. My father was a big scrap metal guy, and I would help him cut up metal all the time, and that's something that I did find fascinating. So I got involved in the program. I really enjoyed the heck out of my teachers there. They helped me out a lot. Learned the fundamentals of welding through my junior and senior year. By the time I was a senior graduate in high school, I was also a graduate at MTC and was ready to enter the workforce. Excelled at my job. I was very hungry at what I did, and I wanted to be the best of the best. Got into fabrication and creating actual metal products, from the ground up, and reading blueprints and so on and so forth. And it was just an expansive job, an expansive task to learn. And, I eventually did, and I mastered it. It's a very hard thing to pull off, and it's a dedication that, you would have to sacrifice a lot for.